Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel, and this video we will learn a step-by-step how to replace a radiant element on your glass top electrical stove range. For this video, I'm going to use Canmore. It's made by Canmore, but most of the electrical range stove, you have a glass cooktop. They have a almost same process to remove and install a new element. In this video, we will just remove old one. We will install a new one. That's all we're gonna do. If you are looking for something how to troubleshoot, then you can go to left hand corner and I have a link there, or I also have a link in description, so you can learn how to troubleshoot if this element good or bad, how to check. But in this video we will just remove the old one, we will put a new one. Actually, I'm not going to put a new one, so I will have a removing old one, I will put the same one back, so we will know how to take it off and put a new one. Easy, it's really quick. Now let's start. Before we start a video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then click on the subscribe button, then click on the ring bell button so you can get the latest video notification from my channel. Step 1, always follow all the safety precaution. My range have a power already, so what you can do, simply you can go behind your range. You have a plug, 250 volt 50 amp plug, you can just remove. If you have a solid wire, then probably you need to go to your breaker box and you need to find the breaker belongs to your electrical range. You can just simply turn off. Then you come to your range. You make sure physically, if you know some electrically, your meter or something, you make sure there is no power. Once you make sure there is no power, safe to work, then you can start working with your stove. To remove this element, we have to access under this glass cooktop. For this one, you can open this door. Behind this door, if you look at, there is two screws. If you look all around, not these one, there's another. There is one screw here, then one over here. We have to take those screws, they are holding top, then we will be easily pick up the top. Once we remove those two screws, now you can easily figure it out. And you can access to any element you want to replace. In my case, I'm going to replace this one. I know we checked already. I have checked double, triple time. I have no voltage, but you can also use your meter if you want to make sure there is no voltage. And you can take a picture of your wiring diagram as well, or you can also copy the other one just in case you forgot. But always a better idea, take a picture of your element, how this are wiring. So, but there's not a big deal. It's really simple. This one like a common wire, always hot. And this one goes through the thermostat. There is a thermostat inside, which one switch, there is a like a contact inside. Anytime like temperature, according to the temperature, this will feed wire here. That's all simple, really simple. There's only 4 wire. Take a picture. Once you're done, now we need a something can hold our door so we can work freely. I'm going to put this foot piece over here. So to remove this element, we need to remove 2 more bolts like these two. You can also use a Phillips screwdriver, or also you can use a 1/4 inch bit. I'm going to use 1/4 inch bit, this one. First I'm going to remove those wire connections. Before I remove these screws, I'm going to remove those wiring connections. There's a quick disconnect. It's a little hard because we never move those. They come apart like that. This one, I have to remove this one too. There's 2 more. Now I'm done with the wiring. I'm gonna leave on side, and I will remove this screw. Just make sure, because this element is heavy, once we remove this one ready to fall. I have saved this screw. Now what I'm gonna do, as you can see, this one is a little locks over here. So we need to use something to unlock those ones. So I will use my needle nose plier again. I will straight those. Push it through. Same thing this side. I showed you a little bit. Once I take it off, I will take it close to the camera. So now I have removed the element already. I will put this one back. So because I know we need to remove the other one. So I need only one. I remove one. I will put this one for right now until I get the new one in my hand. So here we go. That's the element we are going to replace. I'll show you why it's not working. You can see it have a broken from here. So this element I have removed. Physically we can see this element is burned from here. So that's the way this heater was not working. Now we're gonna get the new one. We're gonna just install. We're gonna follow the reverse mode, but I also showed you the tab. You can see there's tab. This one goes, we have to pull back in, so this will lock in. Now, really simple. I'm going to put old one same, but I tell you how to replace. Suppose you got the new one. Just take off the seam screw first. And also, just to hold it, don't let it go. If you let it go, it's gonna fall, it can break or something. So thermostat, this one is gonna go this side. Simply go here. You need to make sure when you're putting in, there's a lot of places. Over here, you have a lot of places you can move around. But we have to put at the same exactly spot. It will work around, but just make sure, try to keep at the same spot. So here we go. So now I got one side already, second side. As you can see, as soon as I put it on, it have a little lock sound. Now simply we are going to put that screw back. I still need this one. Now we will put all the wiring back. As you take it, as I said, you need to take a picture so you remember where you put all the wiring. So black wire goes over here. They're more identical. You cannot miss. So this one goes over here. That's all with the wiring. You need to make sure none of wire is touching metal. Then you're gonna remove this one. Put it back. Now you can open. We're gonna put those two screws back and we're done. That's all we have to do to install the element. We done so far. Now you can plug in, test. So far, but they're all we have learned in this video how to replace a radiant element on your glass cooktop electrical range. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video with the new topic.